Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to import bookmarks from Mozilla Firefox to Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on You and Google. You will be landed to You and Google settings page. Under You and Google section, click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Now, click on the drop-down arrow and select Mozilla Firefox from the menu. Select the items you want to import. If you don't want to import few items, just uncheck the box beside it. Click Import. If Firefox is open on your computer, close the browser and try again. That's it, all the bookmarks and settings are imported. Click Done to close the dialog box. As you can see at the top, all the bookmarks are imported to Google Chrome. This is how you can import bookmarks from Mozilla Firefox to Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.